Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm sharing with you a deep cleaning and setting up my new fancy dining room. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tabitha. I'm a wife and mother to 6 kids. Recently, we sold our tiny house in the neighborhood and we bought our dream home in the forest. We are still unpacking. Clearly, I have boxes all behind me. I'm currently in my master bedroom. This is on the to-do list. I've been taking you all along on the journey of moving in and unpacking, and today I'm sharing with you our dining room setup. I love how it turned out, and you won't believe how much I paid for my new 10-foot 8-top antique dining room table. Subscribe if you want so you won't miss out on lots of moving in, unpacking, cleaning, and organizing videos, and so much more coming up on my channel. In my last video, you saw me scrub the windows, walls, and floors of our new dining room. I cleaned the room from top to bottom to make it sparkle again. I also decided to go with a rug under the table, so I laid that down too. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with a rug under the table, but with 6 young kids, it's actually been really good at hiding the crumbs and really easy to vacuum up at the end of the day. A few days after we got the room to this point, I finally got the call that we could pick up our new table. I found this gem on Facebook Marketplace. It's definitely harder to find a table with 8 chairs, and when I saw the beauty in this antique, especially the ornate design of the backs of the chairs and the legs, I knew I had to have it. So the kids and I went out after the big moving snowstorm of 2022 and loaded up the van with this extremely heavy solid wood table. I'm not sure how I managed to bring it in with just the kids' help. Maybe it was super strength from pure excitement of getting a new table for our new home just in time for Thanksgiving, but we did it and it looks beautiful. The green seats on the chairs are my favorite color, and it really ties in with the rug and even the wood in my staircase and kitchen cabinets. It's like it was meant for this space. Now that the table is here, I'm going to spend some time cleaning it and living with it in this space so I can really decide how I want the placement of the legs and whether or not I want to keep both leaves in it. I think after Christmas we will take out one of the leaves, but I'm not sure. Since we're such a big family, we may just keep it in. We've lived here for nearly 3 weeks now, and unpacking has been going good, but definitely going slow. With caring for a family of 8, managing the normal feeding, cleaning, dishes, and laundry is a lot, let alone unpacking and organizing a new space. I'm in no rush though, and I'm really enjoying the process. I'm so thankful to be in this house, so it's really just making the whole thing so enjoyable. I'm able to take my time and just do a little here and there in the small pockets of time throughout my day. That's why you may see me filming in many different outfit changes and lighting scenarios. But it's really fun and satisfying to see it all come together in these videos. So I hope you enjoy me bringing you room by room as I get our forever home unpacked and organized. Once we had the table in here, we hung up one of our favorite signs. We did it on Thanksgiving actually, and it was so special. I get questions often about where this daily bread sign is from. We got it on a family trip to Pennsylvania when we stopped at a farm store to get pumpkins. I know, not super helpful, but we love the sign so much, and I know a lot of you do too. To add a real statement to this piece, I have a bunch of other circular pieces I'm going to be adding in to make a sort of gallery wall. I'm using lots of command strips, hooks, and nails to place these special pieces in a beautiful arrangement on the dining room wall.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkness.
I think this is a really good start. I could see myself adding some things here, maybe bringing it out here a touch. I'd like to get another copper piece. You guys saw when I got this at the thrift store. I think it looks awesome. And this is the only piece of copper in the entire house. So I think having another little copper piece over there might be cool. And then I want to switch out how I'm hanging these. I think I might just do some regular command strips on the back. But yeah, I really do like how it looks so far in here. Other than possibly a new light fixture and maybe a sideboard or a buffet table, this room is done and will look like this for the foreseeable future. I love how it turned out, and I am so excited for all the meals and memories we will share in this room. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and we will see you in my next video where I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and unpacking my master bedroom, bathroom, and closet. See you then. Bye.